Evening all. Just going to do a quick video for Jordan. Anyone else that's right at the very beginning of learning to lead weld. I'm by no means an expert, but I shall try and help out if I can. So firstly, oxygen I've got set at half a bar. Acetylene 0.3 of a bar. Model O gun. It is a number 3, I don't think I can zoom in on it. There you go, number 3 welding tip. Some lead that I've scraped clean, some lines, some clean filler rods. I'll try and set this up so you can see. Somehow. Stay there. So firstly, setting the flame up. I've got the gauges set to what I've just said. I've got a clean nozzle in there. If I light the acetylene, this is quite awkward to film with a phone. If I light the acetylene, I get it to about 2.5–3 inches. Then bring the oxygen in slowly. I'll just bring that blue point down to like a little ball, like that. That's something somewhere near what you'd want to weld lead. Can't actually see. Here we go. Right, so I'm just going to heat the back, call it the bottom sheet. You can see it goes molten, and I'll just introduce like a droplet of lead onto that, quite close, and then just move it along. Just repeat that. Just load the... I don't know if you can actually see what I'm doing. Oh, fucking hell. Put the filler rod in, just behind the last one. Heat the bottom a little bit. And at this speed, there's quite a lot of control. And I've only been doing this a couple of years, but I found learning, it's all about getting the flame right and getting the right amount of control. Because if it's too hot, you know, you're just chasing it all over the place, and you just can't get a decent weld. That's about what I'm comfortable with there. Yeah. So what you can do is actually slow it right down. So if I back the oxygen right off, and take the acetylene down to about 1.5–2 inches. And then bring the oxygen back in, back to the little ball. Too much. Somewhere there. I found you can slow it right down. Just get a complete control of it to start with. You can actually hold that there for quite a long time. But you've got to make sure you hold it there for long enough. You'll know, you can see around the edges when it starts to penetrate the main piece of lead, because it starts to spread out. I probably wouldn't want to weld. I suppose it's probably quick enough. Yeah, it's fine. You can actually slow it down even more, but I won't bother. I think you get the idea. But you can get, look how long I can hold it there for. And you'll just get a feel for, you know, how it reacts and how much the filler rod is actually penetrating in, where to load it. Because I mean, you can change the style of the weld. That's quite raised up. Let's try another one. You can load it a bit more. Hold it there for a bit longer to sink in, but you got to make sure you don't undercut it when you're welding two bits together. And it's just practice. But like I say, I'm no expert or guru. I've been doing this a couple of years and I'm just pretty much getting to grips with it myself. But I thought I'd do a video for somebody that's right at the beginning. I might be able to help. Probably my welds will probably get mocked, but I can take it. I'm just trying to be helpful. You see the blue around the outside. I've had a bit too much oxygen on there, so watch out for that. Actually on the lead there. Anyway, hope this helps. Cheers, mate.